friends, in this video we are going to learn how to delete a business portfolio in Meta Business Suite. It is very much easy. As you can see, I am into my Facebook account and I have already switched to my Facebook page right now, and I am on the home page. So first of all, I will click on this left side profile name, and as soon as I click on it, the profile page gets opened. Right in the left side, I will scroll down and I will click on Meta Business Suite. Okay, here this is the Meta Business Suite, right? And as you can see, if I click here in the left side, then there is a business portfolio named Mahi Civils, right? It comprises of Facebook page of Mahi Civils and Instagram account of Mahi Civils are the assets that are residing in this particular business portfolio. Now what I want to do is, like, I want to delete this business portfolio. Then what should I do? Like, I can click on settings in the left side toolbar, right? And as soon as I click on settings, this is our Meta Business Suite settings. Here you need to click on business info. Okay, I'm into business info, and here there is an option named permanently delete business. Whenever I click on permanently delete business, it will ask me, do you really want to delete this portfolio? Yes, I want. Right, so whenever you will click on this delete portfolio, it will delete this business portfolio. So in this way, you can delete your business portfolio in Meta Business Suite settings. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit our website and explore our digital marketing course, and directly you can purchase the course from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.